Hi everyone, I'm Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about how to self motivate about our studies, especially for LLB exams. Whether it could be 3 years LLB and whether it could be 5 years LLB. How to self motivate ourselves about our studies. Studies are main important of LLB course. Without studies, without self preparation, we won't success in the LLB field. We can't pass even LLB exams. So to score very good marks and to pass LLB exam, self motivation is required. How it has come? How self motivated ourselves and how self driven ourselves about our studies. It is very important that we should have a very big goal in our life. After joining of your LLB course, please keep one big goal in your life. Otherwise, what will happen if you don't have proper goal, you don't set goal, definitely you won't get interested into your studies. You don't get any self motivated yourself. If you keep very big goal in your life, for that you will study. That goal itself you make you make yourself about your studies. That is very important. If you would like to self motivated, if you would like to self driven, you have to keep very big goal in your life. That should be a very big goal. That should not be a small goal. That should be a very big goal. After keeping big goal, definitely you will be able to study yourself. You will be get self motivated. So this is very important. First thing is you have to keep very big goal in your life. After that you have to study properly. So the second tip is you have to engage at least minimum of an hour a day yoga or meditation. Why yoga or meditation is required in your life? You have to be self motivated means you have to engage with yoga and meditation. How big goal will motivate yourself? Like that only yoga and meditation will keep you self motivated yourself to achieve your big goal. It's not easy to achieve your goal. It's required a lot of dedication, lot of patience, and many things you required. So for that you have to engage at least minimum half an hour a day in the morning. You have to meditate to yourself or please engage yourself yoga or meditation. If you would like to, if you don't know the yoga and meditation techniques, you can join your art of living course part first course. You can able to join in that art of living course first course. They will teach you about how to meditate yourself, how to make ujjayi breathing, pranayams, bastrikas, how to do sudarshan kriya. They will teach you that that effects will be very useful in your especially LLB life. After completion of your art of living course, definitely will be a self motivated yourself about your studies. So that I can able to say in this video, that these are the main things you have to be self motivated for yourself. So if you would like to self motivated, you should engage yoga and meditation. You should keep a very big goal in your life. For that goal you have to day and night think about your goal, dream about your goal, so that whatever you are planning, that should be executed each and every day. At least minimum 2 hours a day you have to engage with your studies without fail. At least 2 hours a day, whether you could be writing, whether it could be you could be reading, that doesn't matter here. At least minimum 2 hours a day you need to engage with your studies, whether you can able to write your assignments, whether you can able to write your own notes, whether you can able to study your case studies, you can able to solve your problems, whether you can write about your short notes, that doesn't matter, but at least minimum 2 hours a day you should engage for that. And one more thing here is, if you would like to achieve something in your life, at least you have to watch motivational videos, whether it could be in Kannada, whether it could be in English, which language is comfortable. You have to watch at least minimum 15 minutes in a day. Please watch motivational videos. If you watch motivational videos at least 23 hours, that video keeps you strong. Again, you required one more motivational videos. Why? Because how car required fuel, like that our mind also required fuel. Fuel called positiveness we required. For how positive will comes through motivational videos, that positivity will come. So many of the students may think easy to say, but it is very difficult to adapt in our life. That's true, because including me, I can say very easily we have to motivate ourselves. Self motivation is required to achieve our success or achieve our goal. That is very easy to say, but but it is very difficult to adapt in our life. That is true, but there is no other option. In all my videos, I am telling LLB is a difficult course. There is no shortcut method to pass your LLB exams or score your LLB exam. There is no shortcut method, my dear friends. We have to be study about ourselves. That should be a very self-motivated. Who have been self-motivated about their studies, definitely they could be able to pass their, and even they got very good marks in their LLB exams. I have seen many examples. So that is the reason I am always stressing about self motivation is very important. How self motivation will comes also, I told you should keep very big goal in your life. If you keep big goal, yourself will get study about at least minimum 2 hours a day. I am talking about only minimum 2 hours a day. You can extend 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, that are according to your convenient and your time. But minimum 2 hours a day is required to pass your LLB exams and score your LLB exams. That is very important. You have to be self-motivated. You have to be self-driven yourself about your studies. That is very important. So, as I told you, yoga and meditation is also is important tool to boost yourself, motivate yourself, and if you do yoga and meditation, your concentration power and memory power and your IQ level definitely will get improved. You can able to see in my videos. I'm not going to read, or I'm going to, I don't do any PowerPoint presentation, and I don't do, I don't see anything. I would like to tell, express in these any videos in my own views and thoughts, how it has come. That should, my memory should be very sharp, and my IQ level should be very high. Then only I can able to express my views and express my thoughts without seeing any books, without seeing any notes, without seeing any paper. So you may observe in my all videos, I have not seen even single. Uh, I don't see any, I don't read. Uh, I'm expressing, and just before making video, just I memorize myself what I have to speak, and how if I speak, that will conclude video. That is very important. If you have the memory power, if you have the IQ level good, then only you can able to express your thoughts and views. That is very important. So always, why I'm not seeing any notes or any books while making video? Why? Because if I give pressure to my mind, if I stress about my mind, definitely if we keep on putting pressure, that automatically will run. So that is the reason I'm always making video without seeing any bullet points or something like that. So this is how you have to motivate yourself. That is very important. Without motivation yourself, you can't able to success in the LLB field. I would like to say all our KSLU students, please be self motivated yourself. Keep a big goal in your life. After that you have to please engage at least minimum half an hour a day, at least 20 to 30 minutes you have to spend a day yoga and meditation or physical exercises to boost your mind or your mental health. Then next tip is you have to eat very good food. You eat like more vegetables rather than non-veg. uh, you can have egg, you can have milk. Please keep healthy always. Healthy mind and healthy body, it's required to self motivate yourself about your studies. If you don't have good health, if you don't have you know good mental health, you cannot able to study properly about your LLB subjects. LLB subjects are required more IQ power because more sections, more illustrations, more case studies will be there. So if you can able to memorize all those things, you have to be keep healthy mind and keep healthy body always. Then only you can able to success in the LLB field. That is the reason if you adopt these all those things in your life, definitely you can able to have a very successful life in LLB field. As all you know, after completion of your LLB, the jobs will be plenty. You can choose any kind of jobs after completion of your LLB. So your motto and your goal, what you call short-term goal, should be to pass or score LLB exams. So you can keep mid-term goal, you can keep long-term goal. Your long-term goal should be always big goal. So for that big goal, you have to struggle a lot. Without struggle, you won't get success, my dear friends. I would like to thank who have been subscribed my channel Anil Kumar KT LLB coach and motivation speaker. Please do subscribe my channel so that you will notified very good videos like motivational videos, your academics and for your LLB examinations. I do give many more videos future also. Thank you.